Welcome to Dr. Imran's official. In today's video we will discuss spine lateral flexion. The primary movers in spine lateral flexion are the ipsilateral, erector spinae, quadratus lumborum, latissimus dorsi, internal oblique, external oblique, scalenes, splenius capitis, and splenius cervicis. To offer an everyday application for this action, as well as to get in a good stretch, suggest that your students try a side bending stretch, which is particularly effective for targeting the quadratus lumborum, a group of muscles that can get tight and painful when one spends a good deal of time sitting at a desk, and which aids, along with others, in spine lateral flexion. Instruct students to stand with their legs slightly apart, then reach their left arms over their heads and bend to the right as if attempting to touch the toes on their left feet. In addition to providing a visual representation of this muscle action, this action stretches many of the muscles on the left side of the body that are incorporated in spine lateral flexion. Bend to the opposite side to stretch the same muscles on the right side of the body.